Students often get stuck on problems like area between curves or system of equations, not because the calculus is hard, but because they can't find where the graphs meet. Master one simple rule and you can do this fast every time. Here's the key rule. F of x equals g of x. That is, in order to find the points of intersection, first you need to set the two functions equal to each other. Then use algebra to find all x values. And finally, substitute x into either function to find y. Think set equal, solve, plug back every single time. For example, if we want to find the points of intersection of y equals 2x and y equals x squared. First, we will let the two equations be equal. So let 2x be equal to x squared. And then we'll want to solve for x. So first thing, if we subtract 2x from both sides, our equation becomes x squared minus 2x equals 0. We can then factor out x from the equation to reveal both roots quickly. So that will be equal to x times x minus 2 equals 0. And since we have a product, if either factor is 0, then the product will be 0. So either x equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0. And solving for x, x will be equal to 0 or 2. Now in order to find y, we'll substitute x equals 0 and 2 into either equation. So when x equals 0, 2 times 0 is 0. And when x equals 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So here are my 2 points of intersection, 0, 0 and 2, 4. In this next example, let's find the points of intersection of x squared and x cubed. So I drew the curves here. The first curve we have x squared in blue and then we have x cubed in red. Let's solve it algebraically. So first we'll let x squared be equal to x cubed, and then we want to solve for x. So if we subtract x squared from both sides, this becomes x cubed minus x squared equals 0. We can factor out an x squared, so x squared times x minus 1 equals 0. Once again, we have a product. If either factor is 0, the product will be 0. So first, if x squared equals 0, that means that x equals 0. Or if x minus 1 equals 0, that means that x equals 1. In order to find the y values, we can substitute our two solutions, x equals 0 and x equals 1, into one of the equations. So when x equals 0, then y equals 0 squared, which is 0. And if x equals 1, then y equals 1 squared, which is 1. So here are 2 points of intersection. We have 0, 0 and 1, 1. And we can clearly see from the graph that the two lines intersect at 0, 0 and 1, 1. In this next example, we want to find the points of intersection of y equals x plus 1 and y equals x squared. So first, if we let x plus 1 be equal to x squared and rearrange, if we subtract x plus 1 from both sides, this becomes x squared minus x minus 1 equals 0. So there's no clear factorization here, so we can use the quadratic formula in order to solve for x, where a is 1, b is negative 1, and c is negative 1. And you can check my lesson on the quadratic formula. I'll leave the link right here above. So in this case, solving using the quadratic formula, we get two solutions, x equals 1 minus square root of 5 over 2 and 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. In order to find the points of intersection, we will need to plug back each solution into one of the two equations, and we get when x equals 1 minus square root of 5 over 2, y will be equal to 3 minus square root of 5 over 2. And when x equals 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, y will be equal to 3 plus square root of 5 over 2. Finding points of intersection is critical for area between curves, graphing, and solving systems. Intersection points happen where the two functions are equal. So always set f of x equal to g of x. Solve and then plug back in. Use this sequence every time, no exceptions. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to keep learning with us. And don't forget, math success starts when you stay on the fast track.